fursa hii ya kuendeleza shughuli nzima ya masomo.
Thank you, Mugambi. And right here I am with the comrades that are in the studio, and we've had several of your colleagues who've also spoken about the funding issue, and you've been categorized. Teddy, if we'll start off with you, where do you belong in this category of funding?
Jael, first, I would like to join in solidarity our comrades in Gishu, that is. Justice delayed is justice denied. And we want to hope that justice will be served. Secondly, I don't know where I belong in this category, but what I have to make very concrete. They've been put like the needy, very needy. I don't know where to put myself in, because, you know, they have introduced something called the MTI. How will I now categorize myself with the MTI? This is something that not most of the students know or are familiar with. But then, let me say that these fees are overly exaggerated. And it means those students who are joining universities, it's like they are being punished for being born wise. We didn't choose to be born wise as comrades. We are here to access education. We want to change our future. And I have to state categorically that the comrades are not impressed. They are depressed. I will be blatantly lying that the students are happy. So, sooner or later, the government will have to set aside some money and funds to build more prisons, more rehabilitation and wellness centers, because that is where we are heading, sincerely speaking.